Hello! On today's segment, I'm going to make a dill chicken salad, so keep watching. Add 2 cloves of garlic, salt, 5 cups of water, and the chicken. Allow the chicken to cook for 1 hour on low heat.
Ingredients are listed below the video, and I'm going to add the half a lime in there. Two scallions, remove the root. Remove the stems. Cut your celery into a few strips. Now if they're uneven, that's fine. Just line them up and then cut. Now to assemble all the ingredients. Keep the chicken in small pieces, so if you have to go back in there and tear them up a bit, do that. A little bit of salt, that's for the dressing. And combine. Now to dig in. It's hearty, it's tangy, it has a lot of texture. I kept the chicken pieces a little chunkier. Some of you may not like it, so you could chop it down so it's a little finer. Otherwise, the dressing and the dill and the celery, they all complement each other. This is great with a salad or pita, or even on its own if you're looking for something that's more keto friendly. If you like what you just saw, give me a thumbs up. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.